Welcome again to our math classroom with your teacher Dan. So in today's video, we're going to discuss the different solid figures. So solid figures are three-dimensional figures with length, width, and height. Moreover, they have base, edge, and a vertex. Okay, so in our given example, number one, the figure number one is called a cube. A cube is a solid figure with square faces. So the flat surface on a solid figure, it is called your face. So a cube has 6 faces, and we have also the number of line segment. We call that as the edge. So the line segment, when two faces meet, it is called edge of a solid figure. So in our given example in cube, there are 12 edges. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we have 12 edges in our cube, and the last part of a solid figure is called vertex. Okay, so a vertex, it is a point where edge meet or the corner of your solid figure. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have 8 vertices in our solid figure cube. Okay, so that is the 3 parts of a solid figure: the base, vertex, and the edge. Let's have the next example. The next figure is called rectangular prism. So, okay, a rectangular prism has 6 faces and also has 12 edges, and we have 8 vertices. The same with our cube. We have 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Okay, the next figure, it is called triangular prism. So a triangular prism has 5 faces. Okay, and then we have 9 edges. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 edges. And the vertex or the corner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 vertices. Okay, so that is triangular prism. The next figure, it is called pentagonal prism. So a pentagonal prism has 7 faces. 7 faces, and the number of edges, it is 15. So 15 edges or the line segment on our solid figure, and the vertex or the corner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10 vertices. And the last prism for this part, it is called hexagonal. So this is hexagonal prism. So hexagonal prism has 8 faces, and we have 18 edges, and the vertex is 12. 6 here and another 6 here, so that is 12 corner or 12 vertices. So that is prism. The next solid figure, we're going to deal with a pyramid. So a pyramid is a solid figure with base. So a pyramid is named according to its base. So the top part of a pyramid, it is called your apex. Okay, so The first figure in our pyramid, it is called square pyramid. Square pyramid. So a square pyramid has 5 faces. We have 5 vertices. Okay, and then we have 8 edges. Okay, so that is a square pyramid. The next pyramid, it is called rectangular. So pyramid. So a rectangular pyramid has 5 uh, 5 faces. We have 5 also vertex, and then we have 8 edges. The same with your square pyramid. The next pyramid is called triangular pyramid because it has a triangular base. Okay, so I said a while ago that it is a pyramid is named according to its base. So we have triangular base here, so we call this triangular pyramid. So a triangular pyramid has 4 faces. Okay, and then we have 4 vertices and we have 6 edges. The next pyramid, it is called pentagonal pyramid. So a pentagonal pyramid has a pentagon base. So a pentagonal pyramid has 6 faces, and then it has 10 edges, and we have 6 vertices or the corner of your pyramid. And the last pyramid for this part, we have the hexagonal pyramid. So it is called hexagonal pyramid again because it has a hexagon base. So we have 7 faces, we have 7 vertices, and we have 12 edges. Curved surface, with curved surface. It is called cylinder. A cylinder with 2 circular base. We have here circular base and another circular base here. So a cylinder with 2 circular base. The next curved surface here is called a cone. A cone with 1 circular base and 1 vertex. This is your vertex of your cone. And the last curved surface that we have, it is called sphere. A sphere has no vertex, no face, and no edge. So this is sphere. So that is the different solid figures that we're going to discuss for today. Thank you for listening and